Apartment Security 101, the ultimate guide to protecting your home. Today we're diving into crucial apartment security tips to help keep your home safe. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Lock up, your first line of defense. Let's talk about the most basic aspect of apartment security, your doors and windows. Always lock your doors and windows, especially when you're leaving your apartment. Make it a habit to double-check your locks every time you leave. Balconies and fire escapes can be easy access points for intruders. A little diligence goes a long way in preventing break-ins. Chapter 2. The spare key conundrum. Don't be so obvious. Avoid hiding your spare key outside your apartment. Consider leaving a spare with a trusted neighbor or friend who lives nearby. That way, if you ever find yourself locked out, you have a reliable backup plan without compromising your security. Chapter 3. See who's knocking, peepholes and cameras. A peephole is a simple, affordable way to get a visual on your visitor without fully opening the door. If you want to take it up a notch, consider installing a security camera at your front door. There are tons of options available, from doorbell cameras to standalone units. Many cameras also record footage, which can be helpful for deterring crime and providing evidence if something does happen. Chapter 4. Your entry code is your secret. Keep it that way. Your entry code is like a digital key. Treat it that way. Don't share it with strangers or casual acquaintances. Instead of sharing your code, be present for deliveries or ask a trusted friend or neighbor to receive packages for you. When it comes to dog walkers or other services, consider using a reputable company that conducts background checks on their employees. Chapter 5. Reinforce your defense's security bars and door jammers. A security bar is a sturdy metal bar that you can install on your door, making it much more difficult for intruders to force their way in. They're especially useful for sliding doors or doors with weak frames. Door jammers are another great option. They're portable and easy to install. These are great for travelers or anyone who wants that extra sense of security at night. Chapter 6. Out of sight, out of mind. Protect your valuables. Avoid leaving valuables like electronics, jewelry, or important documents in plain sight. Store your valuables in a safe or secure location, like a locked drawer, closet, or even a safety deposit box at your bank. If you have expensive electronics, take pictures of them and record their serial numbers. This can be incredibly helpful for insurance purposes if your belongings are ever stolen. Chapter 7. One of the best things you can do to enhance your apartment security is to get to know your neighbors and build a sense of community. A strong community watch program can be incredibly effective in deterring crime. Organize regular meetings, share contact information, and encourage residents to report any suspicious activity to each other and to the authorities. A united front can make a big difference in keeping your building safe. Chapter 8. Trust your instincts. Reporting suspicious activity. If you see something, say something. Don't ignore suspicious activity in your building or neighborhood. Your gut instinct is often right, so if something feels off, don't hesitate to report it. Contact your building management or, if necessary, call the police. Reporting suspicious activity isn't about being nosy, it's about being a responsible neighbor. Chapter 9. Tech to the rescue, smart home security devices. Consider investing in a smart home security system that includes features like alarms, motion sensors, and real-time monitoring. These systems can notify you of any unusual activity, even when you're not home. You can even integrate them with your smartphone, allowing you to control your security system remotely. Chapter 10. Social media. Silence. Don't broadcast your whereabouts. Avoid posting your travel plans or broadcasting that you're away from home for an extended period. Wait until you're back home to share your vacation photos and adventures. It's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to sharing personal information online. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Securing your apartment is an ongoing process, so stay vigilant, be proactive, and implement these tips to create a safer living environment. Stay safe.